Genesis of Tetanus, the effect of increasing frequency of stimulation per second on muscle fibers. We want to know what effect does a series of stimuli at different frequency have on muscle contraction. Tetanus is the response of several repeated stimulation, thereby causing the activation of contractile mechanism to also occur repeatedly before relaxing. At this juncture, all the individual fibers responses fuses into one continuous contraction. The process leads to what we call single contraction, staircase phenomenon, treppe phenomenon, clonus, and incomplete tetanus, and then complete tetanus. This is our force interpulse interval. As we keep on increasing the frequency of stimulation, we first get the single contractions. These are the single contractions. As we keep on increasing the frequency, we get staircase phenomenon, and as we keep on increasing, now we have the treppe phenomenon, and this one is the clonus. Then we have incomplete tetanus, and now we have a complete tetanus. So you are going to label the diagram as I mentioned. So the analysis of Genesis of Tetanus, we are going to be measuring the maximum force of contraction on each frequency, and then we tabulate it on our table. We're going to enter the values into this column, and we're going to be utilizing the marker tool. So we drag the marker tool and put it on our baseline here, and then bring out the force, the force dVm, and then we know which contraction have the highest, which one seems to have the highest contraction. 44. Let's keep on checking. Yes, 371.44. We enter it 371.44 for these values, 400 milliseconds. So as we keep on moving, move on to the next page. Which one is the highest here? This seems to be the highest contraction, 343.82. 343.82. So continuously, that is what we'll be doing, and then we enter the data. Let's move to the next page. Now this is the highest contraction, to 328.85 for 100 millisecond, 328.85. Let's move to the next page. We have 340.73, 340.73 for 80 millisecond. Next page, the highest value here is the highest value, 327.82, 327.82. Next page, for 40 millisecond, we have the highest peak here, 355.44 millinewton, 355.44 millinewton. Next page, where is the peak? We have 331.43, 331.43 for 20 milliseconds. That is our complete tetanus. We have 80 hertz, which is 10 milliseconds. 10 milliseconds. We have the highest at 352.86, 352.86 millinewton as our highest, which is 10 milliseconds. Our complete tetanus. So this is the fusion of all the contractions. All right. After inputting your values into this table, you're going to plot a graph of force against stimulus interval, and then you're going to check your understanding, and this serve as a guide in your discussion. Just use it as a guide to your discussion.